Hello, good evening. All right, so today we move on to a problem solving using fractions insert. All right, this is the question given. Now, as we mentioned earlier, to actually solve this kind of questions, we have to introduce a conjugate. So what I'll do is we solve this fraction by fraction. So for this one, first thing, my conjugate is 5 plus Z3. So denominator numerator is multiplied by this. Okay, and then for your second fraction, same thing. The conjugate for this is 7 minus Z3. So numerator denominator you multiply by this. So next step is we multiply this and this. So it's 5 and 5, we get 25. 5 plus this, 5 multiplied by Z2, positive. This multiplied by 5, you get this. Then Z2 times multiplied by Z2, so we get minus. So same thing here, 7 and 7, you get 49. 7 times this, you get this. 7 times Z3, positive here. Z3 times Z3, this is positive. Okay, so what you can now do is solve this. So this and this will cancel off. So it's 25 minus 2, you get 23. Okay, likewise here, this and this will cancel off. 49 minus 3, you get 46. Okay, now we move to the top. We are multiplying this and this. Okay, so normal expansion. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times Z2, you get this. 5 times Z2, you get this. Z2 times Z2, you get 2. Okay, likewise here, 4 and 7, 28. 4 times Z3, you get this, negative. 7 times Z3, also a minus. And then this times this, you get a positive 3. Okay, so we solve this. 5 and 2, 17. 3 Z2 plus 5 Z2, this is 8. 28 and 3, 31. Negative 4 minus 7, you get negative 11. So this is your numerator. So now what we do is the next step is to find a common denominator. So common denominator be 46. Okay. So times 2 here. So 2, 17 and this plus this. So we expand it inside, you get 34. 2 and 17, 34. 2 times this, 16. So and then plus 31 minus 11, third 3. Okay, so this and this, you get 65. This is this. Minus 11, third 3 is this. So this is your answer. Okay, you say leave your answer in form of cert, so that's the answer. Alright. Okay, we move on to one more question. Alright, the question says, find the length of AC. Okay, in the question is given a right angle triangle. So we want to find the length of AC. So what we can do is, this is 4, cert 3, this is 3, cert 3. Alright, okay, so now we can use the concept of sine, cos, or tangent, concept of trigonometry. Okay, so to find AC, what I'll use is, this is my opposite, this is my adjacent. So I'll say sine 60 degrees equals to AC over AB. Yeah? Alright, so sine 60 is actually cert 3 over 2 equals to AC. Now AB is given, AB is 4 cert 3. So when we cross multiply, 2AC equals to 4 cert 3 times cert 3. So AC is 4 cert 3 over 2. So AC will become This is 2, set 3, and set 3, I get 3. So AC is 6 cm. Okay, alright. So another question. Let's say you're given a triangle and the question is looking for area of the triangle. Okay, so what you can do is your area will be half base times height. So my base is 5 plus 2 set 2. My height is 5 minus 2 set 2. Alright, so expand this out. So you'll actually get expanded. So this is 25. So when we multiply it here, minus 10 set 2. We multiply here, plus 10 set 2. Okay, positive, negative, minus 2 times 2, you get a 4. Set 2, set 2, so that's 2. Okay, so this becomes half. So 25, we minus 8. 17. This and this will actually cancel out. So we actually get a 0. Okay, right? So the answer is 17 over 2. So if it's in cm, it's in cm. So this will be cm squared. Alright. Okay. Alright. One more question. Okay. Now let's say you have this and you are looking for the value of p. Alright. So we solve this like a normal linear equation. So what you can do is bring all the numbers to your right. So equals to 6. So 3 plus 5. This 2, we bring it over. So it's a minus 2. So what I'll get is 6. Set 3 plus 3. So I will leave this set y there and bring the 3 over. So set y becomes 2 set 3 plus 1. Okay. So y square root. You bring it over, it becomes a square. So y is, expand this out. So this is 2 of this square. Okay, plus 2 of this times 1 plus 1. Okay, normal expansion like your algebra. You get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, that's how I got this. Alright, so y becomes 2 square. This is a 4 and a 3 plus this is 4 set 3 and that's a 1 there. Okay, so what we get is this is a 12, so it's 13 plus 4 set 3. Okay, so I'll leave my answer in this form. Alright, so these are some of the questions that involves cert. So please try and complete exercise 4.8, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's your work. Thank you.